natural environment of Southwest Florida is really special, and it's unusual compared to what a lot of people know. It's a really flat place, it's a subtropical place, and it's a very abundant place. An estuary is the place where the water from the watersheds that comes down and flows over the land and reaches salt water in bays is what we call them right here, but it could be a harbor or a sound, and it's an interface between the ocean and the fresh water coming in from the watersheds. And that's a place that is, I love the word abundant, it's an abundant place. The estuary is really critical to the way we live here. People come here for a lifestyle, and it's a great lifestyle. And the economy of our Florida and Southwest Florida really depends on people coming here. We had a real shocking occurrence a few years ago with a big oil spill up there by Louisiana, and all the people along Southwest Florida are worried about their lifestyle. It gave us all a wake-up call of, wait a minute, what if we lose the mangroves and the seagrass and all these beautiful shoreline habitats that make life right for us here? It's key. The estuary is where it meets, so a healthy Gulf, healthy watersheds, healthy estuaries, they have to work together. They can't work in isolation. Just for your own self-interest, if nothing else. Be a part of what you like. Let's keep this really great thing that we have staying strong and even getting better. There's room for improvement, and that's a role that every person can play and help.
Visit the Charlotte Harbor National Estuary Program website